Hello and good morning. I'm living my sailing dream. It's the third Christmas day, and I'm out here for training. I have hoisted both sails for half an hour. It was it has been very foggy, but now it has started to clearing up a little bit. But it's still very foggy out there. Uh, I can't really see uh, anything, but it's quite nice out here, and it's raining a little bit. I'm steering with my audio pilot, so now I can go around my boat. And yes, I know I should be careful because the water's about 5 degrees. But it's so calm out here. Very, very nice. I have not anything specific I will train today. It's more that I will test the ship. And as you can see, it's the old sails. It's not my summer sail. It's the winter sail. And they are not that good. I think I go 3 knots. So it's allowed to put the drone up here, but it's it's simply too wet for that. It starts to be very foggy again, so I don't think it's a good idea to put it up. I can sit here and enjoy myself because out there I can sail out there, but it's wet and cold, so it's better to sit here indoor and enjoy the gray weather. Hopefully it will be better later. As you can see, I can't really see my plotter up there, over there, and I need to make a, a mechanism so I can turn it around. Now you can see the small dot in the middle of Tiste Breding, and this is Sela. So I'm sitting here and looking on Sela, the ARS track, and I can also see if there's other boats. I've just got my lunch out here, and this was actually very nice. As you can see here, I've shown you that it's a really high pressure weather, and it's the main reason why it's so calm and so foggy. I have this small devices here. I've got it from my son. So it's a magnifier. So you could put your phone here, and then you can sit there and enjoy it. It's from China. More things from China. I have actually got this small devices here. It's connected to the sun panels, and it's an electronic device. It make an electronic network aboard this ship. So I can have 16 devices connected to the actually to the internet, and I don't actually need to be on the internet. So I have my own Wi-Fi system here on board. So I'm exercising. I'm sailing back and forth from Mors to Tisted, and to make some exercise in sailing with sail and sail alone. and it go very, very slowly. I've not hoist all the sails, so I'm sailing about 2.5 to 2 knots, so that's not fast, but very comfortable aboard here. Then I'm sitting over there and look some YouTube films on my new network. Actually, a little bit wet out here, and now I'm enjoying my coffee here in my new long distance chair. Now you can see the red light in the heater. So these gloves have actually a heater inside, and it's not so cold today. The water is about 3.5 degrees, but and inside it's about 8 degrees. But still, it starts to be it's wet. All thing outside is wet. The ropes are wet, so you simply need to. It starts to be a little bit cold. Mm. I will take a nap for 5 minutes again. I think it's okay. Now I have made a circle around my guard zone. So when a ship came near me, this alarm will start and I will be awake. I have got this network on my boat, Wi-Fi network, and up there I have my surveillance camera for night sailing, so I can now sit in the boat and it's misty and rain and foggy weather, and then I can sit inside my boat and look in front of me of other boats. And I use this Alfred Android system. It's very cheap indeed. You can have it for free. And up there, it's an old Ulefone mobile, very weather resistant mobile actually, and it's sitting up there. We will go down and I will show you how it works. Now I will show you this app. There we have it. And then we will go live here. And okay, you can see it's very misty out there, and it's the front of the boat. We can switch, and there you have Morse in the background. This is Morse, and this is Tisted. It's very, it's totally calm now. I am a little bit in shock. Here you have my controller for the drone, and it went very bad today. I would make some pictures. It's a very old drone, so then I tried to land it here. In some way, it stuck in the lifeboat there, and I think the propeller was damaged, and I got it up again, but I couldn't really manage the drone. So just here went into the water. It's my second drone. I have another drone out there in Silverstrup area, and now I have a drone here. What is the conclusion? The conclusion is that you should not fly with a drone over water. It's simply a very bad idea, and I will never do it again. Never. It starts to be dark in here in the boat. You can see the church behind me. I'm preparing for the harbor maneuver, and my loss of my drone is actually a little bit sad, but on the other hand, it was old. And maybe you can see here, yes, this is the Christmas tree on, I will show you, on top of the Kimbria Tower. You can see the Christmas tree up there, and the lights in the city of Tisted.